Welcome to the VectorVest Europe education series. In this piece, we're going to discover how to use a simple, convenient, time-saving tool to view all of your preferred stocks in one place, how to analyse those stocks using VectorVest's proprietary indicators, and how to uniquely graph and examine your own portfolio. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log into the VectorVest program. Now, if you don't have access to the system, that's very simple to solve, as you can take a 5-week trial by simply visiting www.vectorvest.com and clicking on Start a Trial. Then you will go through a very quick process to download the program onto your computer. Now, if you have a subscription but can't remember your username and password, again, that too is very simple to solve. All you need to do is visit the support page on VectorVest.com to find the free phone contact details of our support team who are waiting to help. Now let's proceed. I'm going to log in right here. Now let's say that I have 10 stocks in my portfolio currently, and I would like to put them all into one easy to find place, which VectorVest will automatically analyse, and in one click I can graph the set of stocks as a portfolio. So the first thing that I need to do is to create a watch list. So I move right up the screen here to Watch Lists, Stock Watch Lists, and the tab opens a new screen. Now in here there are several pre-populated lists with the indexes and exchanges of the various countries across Europe. However, I want to create my own. So I go to My Watch List and I click New Watch List and I name it my European portfolio. And now I need to add my stocks. So here's a list of the stocks that I prepared earlier. I've Kingspan, Belgacom, AXA, Continental, Brembo Spa, Duer, Actia Group, Randstad, Allianz and KBC Bank. And it's important to note here that I need the ticker code of the stock in order to add it to the watch list. So now that I have prepared my list, all I need to do to add it to my portfolio is click Add, and then I just enter each and every one of the ticker codes that I mentioned earlier. So krx.ir, then I click OK, and there you go. The system loads each of these into the watch list and it's all done. So that's how I achieve the first benefit of creating a VectorVest watch list, which is to use a simple, convenient, time-saving tool to keep all of your stocks in one place. Now, how can I analyse these stocks using the VectorVest proprietary indicators? Well, actually, it's all done for me. Let's take Continental here. Here I can compare the current price against its value, or the measure of its current worth, and also the 4 indicators RV, RS, RT and VST are all built on a simple scale of 0 to 2. Above 1 is favourable and below 1 is unfavourable. Now RV over here looks at the long-term price appreciation so that I can see if the stock has got above average, below average or average long-term price appreciation potential. RS, relative safety, looks at consistency and predictability of financial performance so that I can see that this stock has got significant consistency and predictability of financial performance. And then RT is relative timing. Now this looks at short-term momentum, so I can see that this stock is enjoying some strong upside momentum right now. And then VST, value, safety and timing. This is the master indicator in VectorVest, and it combines each of the three previous indicators: value, safety, and timing. So in the case of Continental, I can see that it had a good, solid combination of value, safety, and timing at the moment, and as you can see, it has a buy rating. And of course, I can repeat this process for each stock in my watch list. And if I want to delve into the stock further, I can examine growth information, dividend information, volume and pricing data, sales data, market capitalization, the VectorVest Comfort Index rating, and its sector. However, there is another fantastic feature in here that I want to show you. This watch list will also analyse my portfolio according to these proprietary indicators. So for example, down here, I can see that my portfolio has got some excellent long-term price appreciation potential, solid consistency and predictability of financial performance, and some really good upward momentum. So it's very interesting to play around with the watch list and see how those metrics would improve if I removed a stock that was pulling the momentum down, or searched through the program for some stocks with fantastic long-term price appreciation potential. It's a truly easy, yet such insightful way to examine your portfolio. And finally, let's graph the portfolio in just 1 second. So I'll right click on the portfolio analysis and select View Watchlist Average Graph, and there you go. There is a unique graphic illustration of my very own unique portfolio on one screen. So in this video, we learned how to use a simple, convenient, time-saving tool to view all of your preferred stocks in one place. We learned how to analyse those stocks using VectorVest's proprietary indicators, and how to uniquely graph and examine your own portfolio. Remember, if you don't have the system already, you can take a 5-week trial by simply visiting our website and clicking on Start a Trial. So why don't you try this out right now in your system? Analyse your portfolio using the VectorVest indicators and measure your own portfolio's value, safety, and timing in seconds.